shifts. Let's use the crowd as energy. Take a moment, enjoy it, but as soon as that puck drops, guys, it is game on here.
We got Taco, Zarny, Bergie, Simon, Rat, and Hutchin net.
Fights it off the rebound. Score! Carl Hirose! Power play goal with 3-2 here tonight.
Two big wins to start the year, guys, against a really good hockey team. Okay, that's a really good job. Coast, heck of a game.
Coach, guy scored his first Griffins goal today. Big boy.
Hey,
Any corners got a screen for his first goal. Hard working, made it.
held us in there all night. Good game tonight, boys. Going to next weekend, same thing, eh?